When it comes to using non-Dremel brand bits with your Dremel tool, the short answer is yes, you generally can. Dremel rotary tools are designed with versatility in mind, and their collet and chuck systems are compatible with a wide range of accessory brands. The most important factor to consider is the shank size of the bit. Most Dremel tools are built to accept accessories with a 1/8-inch 3.2 mm shank, which is a common standard across many brands of rotary tool bits. As long as the bit you're considering matches this size, it will likely fit securely in your Dremel. However, compatibility doesn't always guarantee optimal performance or safety. While many off-brand or third-party bits work well, there can be differences in quality, durability, and balance. Dremel, as a brand, engineers its accessories specifically for its tools, aiming to provide consistent results across a variety of applications. Third-party bits might not go through the same quality control processes, and this can sometimes lead to issues like faster wear, breakage, or even vibration during operation. Poorly balanced bits can create more noise and, in extreme cases, potentially damage your tool or pose a safety risk. When selecting non-Dremel bits, it's important to inspect them for quality. Look for reputable brands that have good reviews and are known for producing reliable rotary tool accessories. Check that the shank is straight and free from defects. If you're using a tool with a multi-size chuck or adjustable collet, you might be able to use bits with slightly different shank sizes, such as 3/32-inch or 1/16-inch, but you'll need the correct collet or chuck adapter for a secure fit. Another consideration is the specific type of bit or accessory you need. Dremel offers a wide range of bits designed for tasks like sanding, grinding, cutting, polishing, engraving, and drilling. If you find a non-Dremel bit that claims to do the same job, verify the material it's made from. For example, if you're cutting metal, ensure the bit is rated for that purpose and made from a durable material like tungsten carbide or high-speed steel. Using an accessory not intended for your material can result in poor performance or rapid wear. Safety should always be your top priority. Before using any new bit, especially from a different brand, read its instructions and make sure it's rated for the speed at which your Dremel operates. Most rotary tools spin at very high revolutions per minute, and using a bit not designed for those speeds can cause it to shatter. Always wear eye protection and, if possible, other safety equipment like gloves and a dust mask, especially when working with materials that generate debris or dust. In summary, using non-Dremel brand bits with your Dremel tool is certainly possible and often practical, especially if you find a specialty accessory not offered by Dremel or if you're looking for a more affordable option. Just make sure the bit fits your tool's collet or chuck, is made of high-quality materials, and is rated for the speed of your tool. Pay attention to safety recommendations and inspect each bit before use. By taking these precautions, you can expand the capabilities of your Dremel and tackle a wide variety of DIY crafting or repair projects with confidence.